Okay, I've come back, I don't know, about 7-8 minutes later, and this glass is the glass that has a small amount of carbon dioxide in it, and this is the glass that has, well, probably has some carbon dioxide in it as well, but not as much as this one, because this one had the calcium carbonate anesthetic reactions. But you can see a lot of the carbon dioxide, it's actually built up on the outside of the glasses. Here are the two ice cubes. They were more or less the same size, and it's very difficult to tell which one is larger. They have curiously melted at different rates. Doesn't necessarily mean that they're different amounts by volume, but one has decidedly melted to one side. This is the carbon dioxide. Again, this is the carbon dioxide one, and this is the minimal carbon dioxide, since there's carbon dioxide everywhere. But you see how this one has tilted over quite a bit, and this one seems to be melting a little flatter. From the top, I know it's hard to tell, but it actually looks like this one is larger than this one, which is the minimal carbon dioxide, and this is a little more carbon dioxide. And you can see, maybe, in the frame, well, in the glass here, you'll see little micro bubbles of carbon dioxide. Right, well, we continue the experiment. Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Inspired by the Mythbusters carbon dioxide and ice experiment, I decided to replicate the experiment on my own. I have not designed the experiment as well as I'd hoped, though. I had dipped this glass here, the rim, in some calcium carbonate, otherwise known as baking soda. If you don't read Russian, there it is. That's baking soda. So I dipped it and then put it in a pan full of vinegar. And you can see, which surprised me, is that it looked like the vinegar in this one raced out of the glass. It looks like it's drier. Can't confirm that, but that's what it looks like. Anyway, the carbon dioxide is definitely produced, and it's trapped, theoretically, in this glass. So using common neon light, or rather fluorescent light, we will observe to see if there is a difference in the melt rate. If we look at this ice cube, it's definitely tilting more than the other one, and size-wise, I'd say that it looks like it's melting faster, but we'll give it another 10 minutes, 20 minutes, see what happens.